Assalamu alaikum, I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use baseline method of dimensioning. Similar to the continuous method, you need to have at least one dimension on the screen. So I will again use this linear dimension. After that, you can select the option of baseline method, select the second point, and then select the third point. And you can see that we are only getting options to select the points, but we don't have any control to select the gap between these dimension lines. This gap can be controlled using the dimension style manager. So let's activate the dimension style manager. Select my dimension style, click on modify, select the lines tab, and from here you can set the baseline spacing. Right? Let's change it to 1. Click OK and close. Activate the baseline dimension command again. You can do that by using the alias dba. Press enter. Select the first base dimension and now select the points. To get out of the command, press escape. So let's see. The gap between the dimension lines has increased.